would say my journey started in the balcony of Big Grace in Genesis Sunday School class with Rick Newsom. And Jen and I were early married, and we got invited to Sunday school class, and we kind of got mentored by several families there. There's Jeff and Christy Shaw, Bill and Beth Beatty, and, Cindy and Dale Dunn. So I lost my job. I had a great job building army trucks for the government in Marysville, and Jen was pregnant. Lost my job. They shut the government shut the plant down, and so I was looking for a job, and Tom Angel approached me and said he knew I was looking for a job. He's like, you should apply for the job at the church. They need somebody to take care of the school. That was in 1996. So Jen and I talked about it. We prayed about it, and it certainly changed my life. We've been here ever since, and started out as a church employee for several years, but kind of overseeing the school part of it as far as for the church. And then I came with the school after that as the facilities director, just kind of basically overseeing the same thing that I had done for several years. So a lot of those people kind of changed our lives. Jeff Shaw, John Bim, they kind of taught me how to be a servant, kind of unconditional. So that's how that started. My favorite Bible verse is Colossians 3:17. Whatever you do, work or deed, do it in the name of the Lord, giving thanks to God the Father. You know, my life is all about serving. I think that's how God made me. Jen and I both, we're just servants. So working at the school, I have a lot of opportunities. Every day is different. So I would say that my favorite thing about my job is I come to work and do something different every day. So I kind of enjoy that, but I'm also around an amazing group of people. I love the people I work with, and have an amazing team of guys that, we do a lot of different things together. They enjoy that. I enjoy that. So, that's part of it, but, the atmosphere, the whole investment part of Worthington Christian, they've invested in me. So I appreciate all of that aspect of it, but I also love what I do. I love working with my hands. I love troubleshooting, and just that aspect of my job I love. I think the thing that I love the most is probably the people, but also the administration. It's when I think about my boss and the people that I work with as far as the administration side of it, Rick, Kelly, Randy Steckel, and Troy McIntosh, those are the people I deal with a lot. We've done a lot of meetings throughout the building project and stuff like that. I just feel a lot of support from them. I think that they go out of their way to encourage me, and I just don't, I'm not sure that happens every day all over the place, but the aspect of that and just intermingling with the different schools. I get to go in every school. So I'm in the high school, the middle school, the elementary school, different times of most days. So just walking into the buildings and feeling the encouragement from the staff from those buildings is, I appreciate that. And I think that is a big part of why I love Worthington Christian.